What's going on, everybody? Quick little video. All right, so this morning, now this is a brand new furnace. It's a little bit dirty, but we can, take care of that. But the problem that I'm having is this morning, right before the heat kicked on, I would hear like it was making noise loud to where you could hear it upstairs. I come down here and find this. Okay, I'm not sure if you can see that, but let's try. Okay. Yeah. So these wires right here are straight from the power. So hot, ground, and neutral. They were, I just turned that off because it was shocking me. They were stuck in there like that. When the fan kicked on, look what it was doing. Look, it almost lined up perfectly. Okay, so what I'm trying to say is, if you hear some type of noise coming from your furnace, take off the covers, top and bottom. Make sure the power's off. And just make sure that there's no wires or anything around running parts or moving parts. Okay, so this right here, all I'm going to do is tape this up with some electric tape. And then we are going to more than likely just zip tie it over here. Or, make sure it don't move. Secure it so that don't happen again. Simple mistake by HVAC, but it could have led to much bigger problems. So, no bueno. All right, so hey, you like more content like this, little fixes, how-to videos, gaming, cars. We do it all. We got it all. Whatever I like, whatever I'm interested into or catches my eye, drop shipping, merch, basketball, anything I like, chances are there's a lot of people out there with similar interests. So keep rocking with us. Peace. So you can see right there, it's moving. Made the repairs here to the wires, just some electric tape, and then secured them with some zip ties. Really simple repair. Now this wire is getting a little bit close, but it should be good. I'll tug that back a little bit more. But you can see some wires are meant to get close without touching. But this right here, that was way too much free play. Like this right here, if it does touch, it's not going to be able to yank it to where it's pulling it all the way through like this one was. That's way too much free play. But yeah, quick little video on how you could possibly save some money without calling an HVAC person.